not one, but two. Hi, by the way. Two risers. We are doing two risers today. This was requested by Alex Lupos, right? I'm hopefully pronouncing it right. Yeah, I think yes. To be completely honest, Alex's request wasn't just risers. He requested some cinematic sounds, sound effects, and the risers is one of them. So probably I will make series. Probably next one can be something different, like hits, or the next one can be Brahms. I think you know why I did like that, Brahms, right? I can just say Brahms because it doesn't sound like. Anyways, so what are we doing? We are making two types of riser. One for one, we'll be using just Mai Tai. For the second one, stay to figure out, to find out, not figure out. If you don't want to stay, it's okay. I'm just using sample one, just them reversing the reverberation and the pitching, and that's all. That's fine. You can go. Just don't complain every time. Let's make. Actually, both of the sounds, no, I mean methods, are so easy. And by the way, if you want me to make another versions, another methods to make risers, just let me know because I can. Because there are so many. It's like such a creative process to make a riser. So, and initializing as always, having this one, having a bit spread, having a bit sub, having a sine wave, filter somewhere. We'll check which one works best. But what is the thing here? I think you understand, we need this type of curve, right? Where it goes high. And we need this type of cutoff filters envelope too. You understand, right? I think I'm making sense. Do I? Probably. Hopefully. Yeah. Just turn this attack all the way up and the sustain all the way up, and then attack and decay all the way up. Okay? You know what? Just turn off this oscillator one. Let's work with the noise first, and then we'll add this. We'll add the tone. Okay? Okay. We'll have the noise. We'll have a resonance because we need the pitch. Why we need the pitch? Because we want pitch shifting. When the riser happens, if we don't have the pitching effect, it does sound more like normal whoosh, basic whoosh. Yeah. So what we just need pitch shifting. I told you already. What are you asking again? Why are you asking? What we have now? Oh, I don't have anything. Why I don't have anything? Because we didn't put any notes, which is so arrogant. Don't rain on us. Of course, we didn't activate yet the cutoff filter. That's what's the problem. We need the cutoff filter to work. You heard the tone already with the resonance thing. You are such a sneaky thingy. Okay, I'll have just tweak it. Cool. I'm suggesting to have LFO. Why? Because we need more movement. You know, and I want it to come from negative value. Let's see now. Okay, just wait. Which one should we avoid? Actually, resonance would be nice. So windy. You are so windy. Let's add the reverb or reverb. Okay. Okay. So winding on us. By the way, I'm not sure why I'm making these noises when I'm working. I'm sorry, it's just how it is. Can't help it. Okay. You know what else I want to do? I want to actually modulate with envelope too. This envelope, this LFO1. Just let's do it. I want to try that. No, frequency, maybe not. You see what it does? And of course, this guy. No, we don't. You cannot have just. That is so boring. That is so boring. No. No. Do your pitch shifting thingy. So we're going to have. Which one should we have, by the way? This one or this one? Let me try both. Okay, verdict. Envelope 2. Oscillator, one pitch. And let's see what it does to ours. Just you and your motors. Oh, sorry, I forgot. It's the negative value. It does the opposite. I'm sorry. No. And I hate such a disrespect to sound design community. So this one sounds like that. Pretty cool. You can actually add another one and do the same thing. And yeah, and that part comes from something like. So yeah, you do you in this one. Just experiment. Let me know what other version you want me to make in the synthesizer. This one we will do in simple one. First off, I'm not going to open the sample one. No. If you watch other videos of mine, you know how I'm using sample one. This is different. I'll show you now. Okay, just let me tell you. So first off, let's just get any loop, like any one shot loop. I just like to search for one shot sound, and the first thing I know. Don't. No. Shh. No. No. Not that. We're making ourselves. That's not your business. So what is this? Ah. You didn't need to yell, you know? And the room reverb. Here is it. So now we have it. And then I'm going to bounce it, right? But if you bounce it like this, it will be like that. No, this is not what we're looking for, baby. No. We want first just press G. And when you pressed it, you can just drag it in here and it will be elongated. And then we go and mix down selection. Now we have this. But you know what? I want more reverb. I'm not content with this one. No. Fresh page. So, wait. G, elongate, and then mix down selection, and then voila. And then this is the trick that I like. I just love it. When I just press Alt, and by dragging from the end of this track, you stretch it. And when it comes to risers, and actually I just love elongated um stretched audio because it's so distorted, so like dirty, right? It's it has it has this metallicness in it, and I love it. Ah, yep, yep, yep. If you're asking, Anit, why don't you reverse it right now? Look, I'm not going to reverse it here. I'm going to reverse it in the sample one. So just Shift O. That is my keyboard shortcut that I set, so I can just automatically open the sample one. I mean, open this track in the sample one. So now, if we play it, just shut it down. If we play this note, we have this, right? But, 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 listen. We talked about this. We need the reversed version, and look what we have here. Reverse, reverse. Pitch, guys. We need pitch. We need the pitch shifting. So for that, I'm going to use this tune thingy. And no, I'm not going to use Alt A and have it changed in here. No, we talked about this in other videos. Just check them. I'm going to do this automation here because if you save this in Studio One, it doesn't save your automations. And I want to save my automations. I think you too. We don't like to work, just do things in this one, but still, we need to have it in our arsenal. Edit tune from here. You saw how I did? You saw how I did? Just edit in here and get that parameter you want to modulate. Click, add, and good job. And laga 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 laga. That was quite nice. What if we add another reverb? Wait. Reverb modulation. What if we change this bit? What if it curse? What if it distortion? Ugh. Just duplicate it, see what you can get it. Just get, if you bounce, for example, this one, we have it duplicated. Let's process it a bit. Maybe we can get something different. You know? And then you can just work with this different duplication. Just make sure you clean it with EQs so they are not so clashed up together. Although it's up to you again, it's a creative decision, I think. Again, we are not mixing engineers here, okay? We're not mixing here. No. We are just ruining everything that there is in air. Okay. Another beautiful day in sound design world of mine. But it's not just mine, it's yours too now. So I think that is an invitation for you just to go and make sound. Let me know how it goes, how you did it, how you wanted it to be, and how it sounds now. Maybe you can suggest me some things. It's up to you. There is a comment section. You just go there and just decide what you'd write me. If you don't want to write me, there is the door. Hmm? Okay, what else I wanted to tell you? Literally a lot of things that I'm not sure that I can fit it in one video. Have something good in life. Go check some other videos of someone. I don't know. You can. I'm thinking you're like me and you like to binge watch YouTube. So I'm guessing you want to watch other videos. And no, I'm not talking about just my videos. You can watch anything. But why don't you watch my wait. When you know what? Just go, okay? I don't want to continue this conversation. This is already working on my nerves. Bye. I see you soon.